Distraction is the silent enemy destroying modern minds. Every day, people lose hours chasing notifications, meaningless entertainment, gossip, and temporary pleasures that leave them mentally weak and emotionally exhausted. The Stoics understood something powerful centuries ago: a distracted mind can never build a great life. Focus is not just about productivity. Focus is power. Focus is control. Focus is the ability to direct your mind toward what truly matters while ignoring everything designed to steal your attention. Most people wake up and immediately surrender their minds to chaos. They react to messages, opinions, trends, and noise before they even think about their own purpose. But the disciplined person operates differently. They protect their attention like a warrior protects his weapon. Your future depends on where your focus goes every single day. If your attention is weak, your life becomes weak. If your attention becomes powerful, your entire reality changes. That is why the Stoics trained themselves to remain calm, intentional, and mentally sharp no matter what happened around them. Before we continue, subscribe to the channel and join a growing community of people rebuilding their discipline, mastering their emotions, and transforming their lives through Stoic wisdom. The first truth is that your mind becomes whatever you repeatedly feed it. If you constantly consume negativity, drama, shallow entertainment, and distractions, your mind slowly loses its ability to concentrate deeply. The Stoics believed that the human mind must be trained daily, just like the body. Marcus Aurelius constantly reminded himself to guard his thoughts because thoughts eventually become actions, habits, and destiny. Many people want stronger focus while spending hours scrolling endlessly through content that destroys attention span. You cannot build a disciplined mind while feeding it chaos every day. Focus grows when you intentionally choose what enters your mind. The books you read, the videos you watch, the people you listen to, and the conversations you entertain are shaping your mental strength. Every distraction comes with a hidden cost. Every moment wasted weakens your ability to stay present. A disciplined person understands that attention is life itself. Wherever your attention goes, your energy follows. Protect your mind from useless noise and your focus will begin to sharpen naturally. The second truth is that comfort destroys discipline faster than failure ever will. Most people believe pain is the enemy, but the Stoics saw comfort as the real danger. Comfort makes people lazy, distracted, emotionally weak, and mentally dependent on pleasure. Growth requires resistance. Focus requires discomfort. Discipline requires sacrifice. Every time you choose comfort over responsibility, your mind becomes weaker. The modern world is designed to keep people addicted to convenience. Instant gratification is everywhere. People want results without patience, success without effort, and focus without discipline. But the Stoics understood that a powerful mind is built through voluntary hardship. They trained themselves to endure discomfort so that life could never control them. When you wake up early even when you do not feel like it, you strengthen discipline. When you work while others procrastinate, you strengthen focus. When you resist distractions and stay committed to your purpose, you become mentally dangerous. The ability to do difficult things consistently is what separates disciplined individuals from distracted crowds. The third truth is that emotions control unfocused people. One bad mood destroys their productivity. One insult ruins their peace. One setback breaks their consistency. Stoicism teaches that emotional control is the foundation of mental clarity. If your emotions constantly control your actions, your focus will always collapse under pressure. A disciplined person does not allow temporary feelings to dictate permanent decisions. They understand that emotions are temporary visitors, not leaders. Many people only work when they feel motivated, but motivation is unreliable. Discipline is what carries you when motivation disappears. The Stoics trained themselves to remain steady during pain, criticism, failure, and uncertainty. They understood that life will always contain obstacles, but obstacles are not excuses to lose focus. The more emotionally stable you become, the more powerful your concentration becomes. A calm mind sees clearly. A reactive mind sees chaos everywhere. Train yourself to pause before reacting. Train yourself to stay composed when others panic. That emotional discipline will sharpen your focus more than any productivity trick ever could. The fourth truth is that most people waste their lives thinking instead of acting. They overanalyze everything. They wait for perfect conditions. They keep planning but never move. Stoicism teaches that action creates clarity. Fear grows when you remain inactive. Focus improves when you take immediate action toward meaningful goals. Many people lose focus because they spend too much time worrying about outcomes instead of controlling their effort. The Stoics believe that you should focus only on what is within your control. Your effort is within your control. Your discipline is within your control. Your consistency is within your control. But external validation, opinions, and results are not always under your control. Once you stop obsessing over things you cannot control, your mind becomes calmer and more focused. Action silences anxiety. Action builds momentum. Action creates confidence. Stop waiting to feel ready. Start moving. Small disciplined actions repeated daily will transform your entire life over time. The fifth truth is that solitude is necessary for deep focus. The world constantly pulls your attention outward. Noise is everywhere. People are addicted to stimulation because silence forces them to confront themselves. But the Stoics valued solitude because it allowed them to think clearly and examine their minds without distraction. Some of the most powerful decisions in life are made in silence. If you never spend time alone, your mind becomes crowded with other people's opinions, expectations, and energy. Focus requires mental space. You cannot hear your purpose clearly while drowning in noise. Solitude helps you reconnect with your thoughts, goals, and priorities. It allows you to reflect on your mistakes and strengthen your discipline. Many people fear being alone because they have never learned to enjoy their own company. But the disciplined person understands that solitude is not loneliness. Solitude is training. It is mental sharpening. It is where clarity is born. Spend time away from distractions and your focus will grow stronger than ever before. The sixth truth is that discipline is built through repetition, not intensity. Many people become motivated for one day, work extremely hard, and then disappear for weeks. That is not discipline. Discipline is consistency. The Stoics understood the power of daily habits. Small repeated actions shape identity over time. If you train your mind daily, your focus improves daily. If you allow distractions daily, your discipline weakens daily. Every repeated behavior becomes part of who you are. Your habits are creating your future whether you realize it or not. Successful people are not always more talented. Often, they are simply more consistent. They continue when others stop. They stay focused when others become distracted. Discipline is not built in dramatic moments. It is built quietly through repetition. Waking up on time, staying committed to your goals, reading daily, controlling your impulses, and finishing what you start may seem small, but these actions slowly transform your character. Never underestimate the power of consistent effort. The seventh truth is that time is your most valuable possession. The Stoics constantly reminded themselves that life is short. Every wasted hour is gone forever. Most people live as if they have unlimited time, but one day everyone realizes how quickly life disappears. That realization should not create fear. It should create urgency. Focus becomes stronger when you remember that your time is limited. Distractions lose their power when you understand the value of each day. Stop giving your energy to meaningless arguments, toxic people, and endless entertainment that adds nothing to your future. Your life is being shaped by what you repeatedly spend time on. The disciplined person treats time with respect because they understand its true value. Every hour can either build your future or weaken it. The choice is yours every single day. Do not wait for the perfect moment to become disciplined. The perfect moment is now. The eighth truth is that self-control creates freedom. Many people believe freedom means doing whatever they want whenever they want. But the Stoics believed the opposite. True freedom comes from mastering yourself. If you cannot control your impulses, emotions, habits, and desires, then you are not truly free. You are controlled by your cravings. Discipline gives you power over yourself. It allows you to stay focused despite temptation. It allows you to pursue long-term success instead of short-term pleasure. Every time you resist distraction, you strengthen self-control. Every time you choose purpose over comfort, you become stronger mentally. Self-control is like a muscle. The more you train it, the stronger it becomes. Weak minds seek pleasure constantly. Strong minds seek growth. The ability to control yourself in a distracted world is one of the rarest forms of power today. The ninth truth is that your environment shapes your focus more than you realize. The people around you influence your mindset, habits, standards, and discipline. If you constantly surround yourself with lazy, negative, distracted individuals, maintaining focus becomes difficult. The Stoics understood the importance of choosing your influences carefully. Energy spreads between people. Ambition spreads. Laziness spreads too. Protect your mind by protecting your environment. Create spaces that encourage discipline instead of distraction. Remove unnecessary temptations. Spend more time around people who inspire growth and purpose. Even your digital environment matters. The content you consume daily is shaping your mind either positively or negatively. Discipline becomes easier when your environment supports your goals. Focus becomes stronger when distractions are removed intentionally. The final truth is that becoming disciplined will change your entire identity. Most people spend their lives reacting emotionally, chasing validation, and avoiding discomfort. But when you master focus and discipline, you become different from the crowd. Your mind becomes calmer. Your confidence becomes stronger. Your actions become intentional. You stop wasting energy trying to impress people because your purpose becomes more important than approval. The Stoics believed that inner strength is the greatest form of success. A disciplined person cannot easily be manipulated, distracted, or controlled by external chaos. They remain steady while others panic. They remain focused while others quit. They remain calm while others lose themselves emotionally. That is real power. The moment you commit fully to discipline, your life begins to transform from the inside out. If this video helped you rebuild your focus and discipline, subscribe to the channel right now for more powerful Stoic wisdom designed to strengthen your mind, sharpen your discipline, and help you become mentally unstoppable. Your journey toward self-mastery starts with the decisions you make today. Stay disciplined. Stay focused. And never allow distractions to steal the life you were meant to build.